Hello, gang! Dinela again. Just a quick question. Is you following me on Instagram? Is you? No? Then go freaking do it now. Today's gonna be a very interesting video. Okay, let's say you already learned what gerunds and infinitives are. You already learned the lesson. Great, done. Grammatically learned, good. Now, let's say you decide to go to Miami on a summer trip and you meet your friends there and you guys decide to go to the beach. And then you go to the beach and one of your friends is afraid of sharks. And she keeps talking about it. Blah, blah, I'm afraid of sharks, I'm afraid of sharks, I'm not gonna swim. And then you say, okay, you don't have to swim, sit on the beach. Then you go swimming. And then she says, I'm afraid of the sharks. And you're like, okay, we heard you. So she keeps talking and talking and talking and you want her to stop. Yes. Why? Because it's just useless stress. How do you say it to her? How? If you take your lessons about gerunds and infinitives, grammatical lessons, and you try to recall how to say it, I'm sure 99% of you wouldn't be able to do it. Okay, so how do you tell your friend to stop shark story? How to tell her to stop? Come on, give me your gerund and infinitive lesson. Come on, use it now. Come on, let me see. You don't know? You don't know? Of course you don't know. Of course you don't know. Because you learned it grammatically. You didn't learn how to use it in real life. You just learned the grammar rules. They are so irrelevant. And it's a fact. Okay, let me help you. I want you, stop think. I want you to stop think. I want you stop to think. I want you stopping to think. I want you stop to thinking. Which one is it? You will never learn. If you focus on grammar, you will never learn which one it is. Never. So how do you learn? Well, these are the things that are gonna help you. Listen to me. Taking tons of gerund and infinitive examples and reading them out loud. Okay? That's number one. Number two, making your own sentences the same way. Okay, but these sentences have to be from your own real life. Number three, after you find examples on the internet, after you make your own life examples, number three would be actually using them on a daily basis. You should not skip a day. Give yourself a 7-day challenge where you would use gerunds and infinitives every single day for 7 days by journaling, recording yourself speaking, like vlogging with your camera. You don't have to post it on YouTube, just like, speaking to yourself, making Instagram stories, talking about your day. You can tag me so I can check your stories and tell you if you're using gerunds and infinitives correctly, So these are practices that you need to do. Don't make me come to your country and your city and grab your freaking head and force you do it. Guys, I'm spending time recording my videos, giving you tips, editing them. Do you know how long it takes for me to make a video? So as a thank you to me, please, after watching them, do what I just told you to do. Come on. You cannot improve your English by watching my video and then just forgetting about what I said. Do it! And the answer is, I want you to stop thinking about sharks. Easy as that. If you keep learning grammatical rules, guys, you will never learn how to use this. So let's make more examples. She wants him to start studying. Mom wants my sister to stop dating that guy. I don't like him either. Dinela wants us to start doing what she told us to do. Now go do it! Practice! Guys, thank you so much for watching another video of mine. I am so proud of those who are really trying hard. And for those of you who are lazy as hell, I cannot help you if you're not gonna help yourself first. By doing what I tell you to do. So, thank you. Go follow me on Instagram. It's down there. And if you want to have some online English classes with some other teachers, there's a website down there. And not me. The website is down there. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah.